Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a LaTeX equation into Microsoft Word equation or MathType equation. For example, see here I have a Python code, and in this code this line, this little guy here, converts the input into LaTeX syntax. So I just run this little code. This code generates the Adamian polynomial of a nonlinear expression. You see, this is our LaTeX equation. We just copy it into clipboard, and all we need right now is a LaTeX editor. I use an online LaTeX editor. This is my website. I use the link in my website. This gets us to a new web page. This is a nice and easy LaTeX editor. We just paste it here, and you see this is our equation. It's a very long equation. And we are going to typeset it in Microsoft Word. Okay, we just copy our equation, and just we open a Microsoft Word new file and just paste it here. Okay, and we are going to insert this equation into this MathType mode. Let's delete all the previous ones. Okay. You see, now this is our equation. Okay, and we need to typeset the rest of the equation, the one that it is between these two parentheses. Okay, and this is the code for it. This is the LaTeX code for it. Since our equation, our LaTeX code is longer than 4 lines, we have to separate it to, or break it down to blocks of 4 lines like this. Otherwise the method fails. Okay, you just place $2 at the beginning and the end of the LaTeX code, and from this menu up from the top of the Word editor, you just select MathType and click on toggle text. This is compiling. Voila, this is a part of our equation. The next part would be this. We place $2 and just toggle it to text. It takes a while. It takes a short while, but the result is promising. You see, it is typeset. Okay, I just opened it in MathType. This is part of our equation. We just copy or cut and paste it here. And because it's a long equation, we have to break it to multiple lines. This is not enough. There is not enough space. So again, we replace some expressions, some mathematical terms. This is good. This is the rest. So we open it. And cut it. Placed it here. And just place it here. Be careful where you broke down the equation. The rest starts exactly from there. You see, this is an incomplete expression. Its remainder is here. So do not place blank spaces when connecting these separated parts. That's it. The rest is the same, identically the same. You do the same procedure, and our very long equation is just generated, or is just converted to math type easily by this method. Let's see. I'm just gonna make it more neat and good looking. Okay, this is it, and I just paste the rest. You see, now everything is in its correct position, and these are the rest of the equation. Okay, thank you. Please feel free to visit my web page. The address is here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.